Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. President, Dr. Alberto N. Apiri, SUC President 4. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Mark Ilyazor. Valenzuela, Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jenny Rose M. San Jose. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Joyce M. Tapalya. Cadet Major Aubrey P. Tuason S3, Cadet Major Monica Mere Luz. Corps XO, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Abigail Manao. S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lovely Lagidao. Corps S6, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Lloyd Babale. Corps S7, Company Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Russell Jocaresa. Cadet Captain Jake Arden, Aaron Tendero. Company XO, Cadet Captain Jojo Ricunday. Gidon Bearer, Cadet Captain Arch Baguio. Alpha Platoon Leader, Cadet Major Robert Abilay. Bravo Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Cyril Meliena. Major Leader, Alexandra Cesar. Band Leader, John Aldrin Elcano. CAT Facilitator, Sub-Sergeant Alan S. Monteverde, Philippine Army. Major Trainer, Herbert C. Waloy. Bandmaster Trainer, Ricardo B. Villamer. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Thank you. Entry number 49, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, Aswan. Next entry.